In today's video, we are going to do assembly and demonstration of Hercules premium package from a company called Rollocam.
This is one Dr. Juice and
I'm Swadhin. Okay, so this is everything that we got in the package. You see here, this is the main motor, and these are the free wheels, free moving wheels. So what you will have to do is you have to make sure that these wheels are on the outer side and this wheel is on the other outer side, and you slide it through. But before you do that, if you'll see that you have a cheese plate as well. So first thing to do is slide it through the cheese plate here.
cheese.
And while you're doing it, make sure that the Rollocam written here under it is facing towards the bottom. So here it will be facing towards the top right now, because this cheese plate will turn it over like this, and the Rollocam will face the bottom. So here you go. So it's in the cheese plate now.
Cheese.
And on the other side,
Oh.
so we'll flip it. The place where you see holes here. So this will be on the top. And here. And again push it through.
Okay, that should be good enough.
Okay. So now this is through. And what we have to do is we have to make sure that the wheels, they set inside the slider. So this time it is not, one of the wheels is coming out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to further push it
Then
in these. So this part is done, and Rollocam, what is written here is facing down. Now the reason why I'm keeping it down is because where you see Rollocam written here, the second O, and this is like a cross mark in between the second O. So this one has a magnet here, and you want to make sure that this is facing down, and then you attach the magnets which came with the slider. You attach the magnet on it here. So one is here, and one is right underneath it to hold this on it. And so is the case here on the second side. This one is the second set of magnets. So one on the top, one on the bottom. So that's how the magnet is held on to this aluminum rail. And this thing will sense the magnet, and that's the point where it will stop and it will start motion in the reverse direction. And to set it up, what you have to do is you have to press this small button here. So on this side there's a small button. So you press this button down, and then you program it. And the way to program it is written in this card as well as in the instruction manual. So it's clearly written. Other things. So this is your panoramic plate. So to take panorama, what you need to do is you need to slide this thing
push it
in here in the tray. You have to take this out from the inline wheels. So these are inline wheels. So you take it out of it and you push that in here. Yeah. So it's ready. So your panoramic plate is ready, and now this base is fixed, and it can, once this thing is on, it will start moving. It will move. You have to place it on a solid surface, of course, because this is the gear, this is the wheel, and this is connected with the gear, and when the motor moves, this thing has to be on a hard surface, so it will move. And you can take a panorama like this.
Yay!
Yeah. So let me take this out of the panoramic plate and put it back with the inline plate. This thing goes out. Yeah. So now let's assemble this.
This is the first time I can actually spin something around without getting yelled at.
So this side is done, this side is done, this is ready, and then this is the base. So fit the base in. So you gotta screw this in the base again. So it's snug and tight, and do the same on the other side as well. So this side is done, and here, see, so it's standing on it. Okay, while he's doing that, let's fix this thing up. Now if you see,
Oh no!
we have to align this, the hole in the center here. So align this hole with the hole under the bottom of it. So the first hole, not the second one, the first one. So there you go.
Huh?
So we aligned it, and then from the bottom, so this is fixed now. So now the rail is assembled.
It's floating. What is this witchcraft?
It's what?
What is this witchcraft?
This is no witchcraft. Okay, so this part is done. Now on this cheese plate, what we can do is we can,
Cheese!
yeah, we can eat cheese first. So this one has, so all these holes, they are all good for this mount.
Yeah.
So you can mount a ball head on any of these holes here. So it has two sizes in it. One is like the 1/4 inch, which is the normal one, and then there's another,
Small one.
the smaller one. So this one is going to fit in the
Normal.
normal 1/4 one. So
Now
okay.
it looks like it's a tiny fort.
The ball head is on it now,
It's a Starfleet fort.
and Rollocam. So O is on.
Sea bottom. Hopefully.
Okay, I need to switch direction here.
Looks like it's a tiny spaceship going for battle.
So what we can do is, so this can handle the heavier cameras as well. Not really a very large camera, but the normal DSLR. Okay, so this one I'm mounting just to show you that it can actually move it.
And now let's hit the button.
And I've already programmed it, so all I have to do is just hit the button and it will start sliding.
Smacky smacks.
One,
It's turned on.
and it's moving, so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so this is it. I I hope that we really were able to help you determine whether this is a good investment for you or not.
Yay.
For us, it's a pretty good one. I believe
Yeah.
we are gonna use it in all our future videos, and this will make sure that the level improves.
More professional.
It will be more professional. Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this and more tutorials. So we are publishing a lot more tutorial on how to make your videos better. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for watching.
Before you leave, don't forget to ring the notification bell and leave me a big thumbs up.
Yep. Check out his channel as well.
Keep watching and keep rocking. Go. In today's video